I can't figure out.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to have you back here finally, and in today's video we're going to do a get ready with me, especially for the wedding season, or the way that I call it, Shaadi season. And I'm going to keep this makeup routine very minimal and beginner friendly. So if you have a wedding to attend to, this is the makeup that you can try on. And yeah, without wasting any further time, let's just begin with the video. So before we actually begin, I hope you guys can notice a little glow on my face, especially my cheek area. No, it's not oily, it's actually glowing, and the reason behind that is none other than some pampering session that I had with Urban Company. So since it's wedding season and I also had a few functions to attend to, I decided to go ahead and pamper myself, but I was really confused. Should I go to a salon or should I, just do something else? So I decided to go ahead with Urban Company.
The professional reached my place right on time and with all the equipments and things needed, and then she made sure that everything was safe and sanitized. She also made sure that everything was right, and then all I had to do was sit, relax and enjoy my pampering session. She was really good at her job and made sure that I get the best experience.
I love how my skin feels right now. I mean, it feels so supple and it looks glowy. Really like the experience. I'm definitely recommend you guys to try it out just for once to see it for yourself, and I'm definitely sure there will be no going back to salons after you have had this amazing experience. So yes, let's just begin with our quick makeup tutorial. So I have completely moisturized my skin, and the next thing that I'm going to use is a foundation. It's L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Matte Cover Foundation, and I really love the texture of it on my skin. If you have seen my other Get Ready With Me videos, you might know that I don't use a lot of foundation. I just like to feel my skin under my makeup. So I'm just going to go ahead with little foundation, and yeah, that's what we are going to do. Next up for concealer, I'm going to use this concealer by Maybelline. It's called Instant Age Defined. I'll mention everything in the description box below so you have nothing to worry about. I just use it on my problematic areas like my forehead, my dark circles, and a little bit of my cheek acne scars, and that's all. Next up, I'll be using this Fit Me Loose Cover Foundation. So now that our base makeup is done, I'm going to move towards the eyes. And for the palette that I'm using, it's this palette from MAC. It has the following shades, and I'll be using particularly these darker shades here and the golden ones here. Now I'm going ahead with the eyeliner, and for that I'm using this Lakme Insta eyeliner. Okay, so moving on to my most favorite part, and that is the blush. It's called Mineralized Blush in the shade Gentle, so I'm going to use this. Now we are done with our blush, and now we are going to move towards the lipstick, and for that I'm going to go ahead with a really subtle and nude shade because the eyes are dark and I don't want my lips to be dark as well. So I'm going to use this lipstick by Blur Cosmetics. It's a homegrown Indian brand. You should definitely check this out. Not sponsored. And yeah, it's called Call Me Daddy. So we're going to use this. And with that, we're done with our makeup look. Now I'm going to do something to my hair, and I don't really experiment a lot with my hairstyles, but today I am in some different mood, so I'm going to try a new hairstyle. Let's see how that goes. So for this, I'm going to just take a few strands of my hair and just do this roll thing. So here I'm going to pin it up. So I just repeated the same thing on the other side. Now I'm going to make a bun. this is how it looks, and I'm sort of really impressed with what I've done with my hair and my makeup. So yeah, let's just quickly change our clothes. So that was it with today's video. I hope you guys liked the all over look, the hairstyle, the makeup and everything. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave some good comments. You know, I'll give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video really soon. Stay safe, be happy, and yeah.